TikTok dark mode, how to get. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can get TikTok in dark mode, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to get dark mode on TikTok, it is actually very simple, because all you have to do is go ahead and then basically make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this type of interface. So you want to make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right, and here you can see that we are currently on light theme. So to get the darker theme, you just have to make sure to tap the Pro 3 lines option from the top right, and then just go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, just go to this option known as display and then tap on it. Once you tap on display, here you can see light and here you can see dark. So now all you have to do is simply select the dark option here, and then you can see instantly you'll successfully switch to the darker theme. This way you'll be able to get dark mode for TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.